today. I'm gonna do a little prep work on something new that we got. Alright, so what we have here is, and I got this from a local guy. I've already taken it out of the wrap. I'm gonna get it painted anyway, so I'm not too worried about scratching. You can buff this out, it's just plastic. Anyway, this is a rear diffuser. This is a side variant. Here's the middle piece, the diffuser. Now, if you go back to my previous videos, this was a piece that I was supposed to put on, but I didn't like the fitment, and I didn't really feel good about drilling into the bumper at the time, and then realizing that there's really no other solution unless you really want to just lose your diffuser on the highway if you're only using 3M tape. Anyway, I got this one. This is an IKON brand, IKON. So I figured, you know, I mean, they've been around for a little bit already, making aftermarket Mustang parts. And the one I had before was just a middle piece, a little bit smaller than this. This is a little bit more sturdy, thicker. And like I said, it has side pieces that are going to connect off to the side and come around the bottom part of the bumper. Now, unfortunately, that means if you've seen one of my previous video, the rear wings that I put on the bumper last time that we got from Wish, those are going to have to come off. Even though they look good, way too cheap plastic. This one, we're going to go ahead and paint this gloss black. I'm going to go ahead and give it a go, and if it doesn't work out, then I'll find somebody else to do it. But you know, whatever. We're going to see how this goes, and you know, kind of document what happens. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start. I got everything ready, prepped. I'm outside, a balcony, so spray paint doesn't really get in the inside. These will end up drying on the inside, so the humidity of South Texas and the way it feels right now, Monkey, doesn't really affect anything on how these dry. But I'm gonna go ahead, and I got cleaning wipes. I'm gonna wipe down everything, wipe down the surface on the outside. And I'm only going to focus on the outside. I'm not going to paint underneath on the other side or anything like that. Okay, so I'm going to start off with some blacks. This is some gloss black, and get the first couple coats on there, and we're just going to let it dry. Sit. I like to let these sit like 3 times longer than what it says on the can. It says 15 minutes. I'm going to go with an hour and a half, and we'll be back out. Okay, it's actually been about 2.5 hours. Brought these back out. We're going to go ahead and do the second coat. Sit, come back out in a couple more hours, do another coat. This is what we got so far. Looking okay. Not necessarily spotty. I'm trying to get a good even coat. Nothing sticking on this, but it's not quite the hard gloss that I need. So I'm gonna go with another 2 coats. Here's the third one. Coat number 3. That's it. Go for another round, come back. All right guys, let these sit in, and it's starting to get the nice glossy coat. Still a little patchy, not patchy, but rough in areas, but like I said, that's going underneath the car. You're not really gonna see that. I believe you're only gonna see this piece and that stick out. At least I believe that's the way it should be. So this happened, and we had to postpone everything we're doing. And it's a tornado warning, so winds are bad earlier, didn't get to record it, but it's coming down pretty hard. And the sky is crazy looking. Can't see green, but at the same time this place is pretty lit up. So it kind of ruins being able to see anything. And it almost looks greenish. Keep you guys posted. It was a lot windy earlier. More windy than this. Definitely a recipe for a tornado, but we'll see. It started to get worse. Wind is picking back up. Lightning is crazy killer. Thunder is super close. Almost want to stay away from these windows, but man, damn, look at that. It's crazy. All right, looking back at it, yeah, this side definitely needs another coat. You can definitely see the matte type feel look to it. I've already wiped this one down.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay guys, it's only been about 15 minutes, but I came out because I read the instructions on this particular can of paint, and it said, this little patch right there, I don't know why that didn't catch, maybe it had something on it. So while that's drying and I need something else to do, this came in the mail today. I got it off of eBay. Now I had a piece that's actually sitting right over here that covered this entire thing with orange, and to be honest, it was just too much orange for me. I needed some contrast, and I love the carbon fiber, black carbon fiber contrast up against the orange. So as you can see, I'm already putting a little bit of carbon fiber. This is a soft carbon, so it's real carbon fiber, just, you know, in like a gel form, whatever, but you can actually see the woven fibers in there and whatnot. I was a little bit about this because I've always liked the regular, you know, kind of cast to look like the ABS plastic, but it's carbon fiber, it's real, it's cased in. And I really wanted that look, but then, you know, you're getting a better bang for your buck, and you can get the soft gel or the soft carbon in places that the hard carbon can't go. Would be extremely expensive. Things that I am going to get hard carbon and I'm going to wait for is this guy. It's a little bit over $1,000. Eventually, I don't know, I'm debating on this. I see a lot of people do have the soft carbon little overlay, but I actually like the hard overlay, and that's a bit pricey too. It's about $1,500. And then these side pieces down here, you can get those for about another, I don't know, I think $800. Anyway, I'm gonna slap this on. We're gonna see what that looks like. Third and last coat on. That's the medium coat. Even though the first coat I did was pretty heavy, I'm gonna do a light coat the second time, medium coat this time. Should be the last coat we need. And let that dry for about an hour, hour and a half. Won't handle it for another 3 hours. This one will need another coat in about 30 minutes.
Wow.
Alright guys, today is the day. It's quarantine day again. And it's time to get this sucker on. I'm tired of it just sitting in here. And those guys sitting here, you know, only decor sitting on the wall. It's nice, look at it. It makes me just like, just want to go downtown. But look, they're under quarantine too because nobody's there. No business. What the hell's going on? Back to it, right? Well, to keep everybody safe, that's what we gotta do. And what else we gotta do is put this damn thing on. I got a handful of screws. I need to figure out what's gonna be the best depth on, depending on what I'm putting on. I have a feeling that these are not gonna work because they're rounded and I don't want these things sticking up. These are wood screws, but they're flat. They're gonna go into the plastic, hopefully. Anyway, we've got a bunch of 3M tape, skinny little things. I already have it taped up pretty much, kind of just pre-prep. Hopefully that'll actually touch something. I'm pretty sure that will. Probably gonna run another strip right down the middle, but I got thicker strip outside. I'm gonna wait to do that. We're gonna go also clean the surface. Let's get started. All right, here's my problem. When I go to fit this guy, let me set you guys up. It just doesn't fit right. I had this problem with the last one. It didn't have the side skirt, so this is going to take probably some deep screws. And you can see this comes up to here. But there's probably about that much space between the bumper and where this thing fits and sits for it to actually look good. You really want it to fit in there like this, right? It just doesn't fit there very well. And once I have it in here, so this is just going to create crap. So I don't know how I'm going to stick it, but I have to stick it and then drill. Added some more 3M tape. I don't think that's going to actually even touch or even hold, but we're going to see what it'll do. So none of these I have are long enough. Gotta go inside and look for more.